Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir milk with grains. First, you will need a clean glass jar, your active milk kefir grains, and fresh dairy milk. A good starting point is to combine 1 tablespoon of kefir grains with about 2 to 4 cups of milk. Remember, for optimal fermentation and grain health, it is best to avoid ultra-pasteurized or lactose-free milk varieties. Once your grains and milk are in the jar, ensure there is about 1 to 2 inches of head space. Cover the jar loosely with a breathable material like a coffee filter or a paper towel, secured with a rubber band. This allows air exchange while keeping contaminants out. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for 12 to 36 hours, depending on your desired tanginess. After fermentation, the milk will have thickened and developed a tangy aroma. Carefully strain the kefir through a plastic or stainless steel strainer into another clean container. The thick liquid that passes through is your delicious, homemade milk kefir, ready to drink. For an extra boost of flavor and probiotics, you can add fruit and allow a second fermentation for a few hours without the grains. Your kefir grains are reusable. Immediately after straining, place them into fresh milk to begin your next batch. If you need a break, store the grains submerged in fresh milk in a sealed jar in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. Over time, your grains will grow and multiply, providing you with an abundant supply to make more kefir or share with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.